another live stream where we make thousands of dollars per day just because we can with the power of the traffic lights and Trade 1348. I hope you guys have had an amazing day today. There has been a lot of money to be made here, dude. Traffic light up, traffic light down, easy peasy lemon fucking squeezy. I mean, again, at this point, if you guys don't see the power of the traffic lights, have fun with your thumb in your ass, following all these other morons out there. We are going to keep continuing sitting here in Print City, doing what we love to do the most. But team, again, for those of you guys that are filtering in here right now, make sure that you guys slap the literal living shit out of the like button. It helps out a whole lot with the algorithms over here. Again, we're taking over in a way that nobody's ever seen before. So shout out to all of you guys that are a part of it. And special shout out to those of you guys that are joining up and becoming a critical part of what we're trying to do here. And really just get retail investors to stop pissing away their money in the market. So a little bit of housekeeping before we actually get going. Remember, guys, everybody has access to over 90% off their first month to the Trade 1348 platform, the absolute best platform for retail investors to come and learn, trade, make money in the market. You've never seen anything like it, and you never will ever again. That's just how dirty it is, man. And all of you guys, remember, next week is the last week to secure your lifetime at this lower price. So make sure that you guys take advantage of that before it's too late. If you do want that, make sure you guys reach out to Diana. She will help you out. So SPY over here, coming back down, retesting that level here. We broke down, we retested, sold off a little bit, broke, come back down. I mean, this is just kind of flying around this little 395.60 level right here. It's getting a little spicy here, folks. This is getting a little bit spicy. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way. Whoa, you guys are murdering it, dude. 50% like ratio. Or oh, there it jumped. There it jumped. Yeah, also, I ditched the rest of the Alibaba swing just because I didn't want it anymore. That was dirty. So Baba was really good. Realized some really good gains on that one. Yeah, that Baba trade was nasty. So I think overall that trade was probably around 40%, 40 or 50% on that Baba swing. Just needed that one little gap up. That was pretty sweet. Happy it happened today, though. That was really good. Nancy slipping down a little bit here. Nancy, just fucking right here. Just come here, tap it. Down. This. More down. There you go. Break that 272 and fucking die. Congrats on getting out of Baba. Thanks, buddy. It was a good one. It was a good one. That swing was a gem. That swing was a gem. This Nancy one's pissing me off, though. So it's just being a fucker, you know? Yeah, the Baba one was good. I could have continued to hold it, but like, why? I'm probably going to regret holding it or not selling it, which is fine. I don't really give a shit at the end of the day. Still made a shitload of money today. We'll just come back, do it tomorrow again. Tesla still has room to run down. So does NVIDIA, bro. It's up fucking $7 today. Get the fuck out of here. Look at TQQQ using what you talked about in the masterclass yesterday. Filthy. Oh, let's take a look. Actually, I'd have to do it over here. Hold on. But yeah, I mean, hopefully you guys learned some stuff from the things that we were talking about in the midweek masterclass. Let me actually do this. TQQQ. There goes Nick. Fucking break it, bro. Dude, I know you wanna. TQQQ. Didn't want it. What time frame, Pepe? 3 minute? Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, so those of you guys that are in 3-year and 3-year or OG lifetime, make sure that you guys watch that stream that we did last night because that one was nasty. Oh yeah, dude, the 1 minute's even dirtier. I looked at that one first. Yeah, bro, that was nasty. So hopefully you guys are using that. Filthy for exits in the both the scale outs, dude. It's getting hot in here. So turn on your AC. All right, guys, let's have some fun, man. Let's see if SPY wants to break some of these lows here. It'd be really fun if it did. And then just bloop, dead. Yeah, so again, I mean, guys, the amount of value that we're providing you guys in the master section, so either OG lifetime or 3-year is absolutely insane. So make sure if that's something that you guys want to upgrade to, reach out to Diana before the end of next week, and we'll be good to go. You guys will get access to everything. All right, SPY, what do you want to do here? Best times in the day to trade? Depends. Depends on what you're trying to do. You can scalp in the morning. You can try to catch the little afternoon moves that usually happen. Really depends. These wicks are fucking nuts. I hate NVIDIA today. This thing's just pissing me the fuck off. Depends. I'd say right around 10 is usually the best. So after the market kind of picks a direction, you'll have a better understanding of where things are headed. But yeah, Pepe, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. That stuff was dirty. Reached out for the upgrade. Looking forward to studying the thigh gap this weekend. There you go, Chris. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's time to die. Don't do one of these bullshits over here. Just fucking here. I want you here. Just there. Chris, welcome, buddy. Oh, you motherfucker. NVIDIA. Here comes SPY. There we go. All right, guys. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. We are 15 away from 50. I appreciate you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ooh, we are going to have some fun. Me too, waiting on Boss Lady to work her magic. Oh, Diana's helping you guys out. There you go. There you guys go. That's the wrong coffee cup. This is the right coffee cup. Let's see. There we go. Come on. Come on. I just want this to like not be such a large position anymore. Just give me a damn scale out, you know? It's kind of what I want. I've already nailed it today, bro. Like, I murdered it today. NVIDIA price action, each candle is scalp city, which equals print city. Yeah, true. I mean, my thesis on NVIDIA is like, this thing needs to come down at some point. Like, look at this on the 4 hour, bro. Look. I mean, the RSI on the 4 hours trying to break its moving average here. The daily RSI is cooked, bro. Look at this, 74. I mean, this thing can continue here, which is interesting, but we'll see what happens. I want a test of this. That's a giant test, though. I mean, if it the real test I want is the 13 on the 4 hour of this right here, 265, which had happened yesterday, and I just didn't sell it, so I wasn't paying attention. 26% on the day, 1348 for the win, 100% Faust. I mean, that's what we do over here, guys. All these other morons out there are like, follow my trades, follow my trade. Bro, you guys aren't up 26% on the day doing that shit. All right, so my Nancy's just went green. They were up 50% yesterday. I was just kind of having fun with it because I kind of bought them at the top of Powell, and I was like, this just doesn't seem correct here. Now they're flickering. But if you get that little cascade, I'd be happy with that. I'll throw a limit order there. Whatever. I'll throw a limit. I'll throw a limit here. Give me that. Give me that. Come on. Is it possible to sell put short? Yes. You may have clicked something wrong and it came back to a 100% loss paper trade account. Well, okay. If you're selling puts, you're basically saying I'm willing to buy at that strike price. That's what you're doing when you sell a put. So it's basically a cash secured put. You would have to put up the collateral in order to do it. So check your cash balance. They might have gotten you there. All right. Whoa, this is interesting. This is interesting now. SPY's getting a pop. Nancy isn't yet. All day long, you've seen Nancy start to dip. SPY gets a pop. Nancy goes boom. That didn't happen here. If the SPY knifes, Nancy might die. That's what it was. Didn't know it was possible. Yeah, it is. You can, I mean, if you sell naked calls, that's the most risky thing that you can do in the market. Well, I mean, I would say futures. Just shorting futures would be probably the most risky thing that you can do. But all right, let's see. Die, Nancy. Just fucking knife. Thank you. How are these not moving? What are you fucking doing? Oh, it's because somebody just has the ask there. Ah, there we go. Dollar moving back up. That's interesting. You don't short anything, just huge butterfinger fumble on your end. It happens. It happens. New lows on Nancy. Yeah. Watch this. 270.60. Yep. Well, did it? What's open? What did it open at today? I don't think I see that over here. Maybe here? No. What about down here? Nope. Yeah, coming back up a little. SPY stair stepping down. That's what it looks like right now. Now I want the 271 break. That's what I want. Break right here. This is where I want it. Then I'll go Splitsville with my Nancy's. 271.10 was day low. Is that what it just hit? Yeah. It's coming back up, which I wouldn't be surprised. Like, this thing has been moving like crazy, like dollar moves. Like, big, boom. Like, oh, shit. Like, something's happening, and then nothing does. It's just buyers in the tape. SPY, I mean, SPY's up 0.78 here. I mean, it's possible that it goes red, but that's a big move, bro. If SPY goes red from here, that's Spaghetti-O land. Let's see here. All right, guys, 8 likes away from 50. Thank you, team. Keep running up the likes on the stream. Welcome to the best place to learn how to trade, team. Me and Gabe. It's all you guys got. Who else is going to teach you this stuff? Nobody, bro. Yeah, she's slipping back down a little now. Isn't there a gap to fill in the SPY? Not saying we'll reach it today. I don't give a shit about gaps, like, at all. Nancy approaching lows. That's lows there. It's 271. You break that. I mean, 270 is the big level that you slipped yesterday, and it was bye-bye. Yeah, here it comes. 01, 08. They're trying to buy it up off here. This could be a dirty slip. I don't know. I mean, you see these big levels sometimes, and then it just goes whoop. Cascade. That's a little cascade there. That's not too crazy. Like a cascade would be like 50 cents. Yeah, here it comes a little. Come on. Give me my scale out, you motherfucker. You fucker. You motherfucker. Come on. Give me that. Give me that. Bro, you are so close to this. Come on. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. There it is. Come on. You're not going to hit it there? You fucker. Now it's just pissing me off. Why won't you buy that there, bro? That's what the ask is. Just buy it at the ask. Somebody do it. That's got to do it. No, it didn't do it. That's really close. Come on. Come on. Are you serious? Thank you. Got my scale out. You motherfuckers. I hate NVIDIA today. I hate it. I'm getting animated over here because NVIDIA has been pissing me the fuck off. I hate this thing today. The realized P&L today and the normal P&L is kind of crazy today. It's kind of wild. Weeble's been a bitch with fills this week, it seems. Nah, it's just for what these contracts are and what time they... Oh, that was nasty. Come on. Okay, I'm going to throw another limit out there just for funsies. If it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, I don't care. It's got to break this 5-minute 200, though. That's been the fucker today. SPY new lows. Scalping NVIDIA on paper today. 5% gainers and taking them. Nice. Nice. It's like when if this thing builds some steam through here, that's when these contracts really go. Because the deltas just go nuts. That's what happened yesterday with them. Like, these were up 50% down here. Now they're up a little bit. I'm just trying to, like, get some money back off the trade. Let's see. Price action goes above the 13, but the thigh gap stays yellow and never goes blue. Should that tell me that the move isn't strong? Above the 13, yellow. Yeah, I think so. You were trying to short oil today? Yeah. Well, careful trying to tick those like that. Spy little bounce here back to the 13. Let's see if this gets interesting in the last 2 hours of the day. If you can get this cascade down below day lows. Nah, popping a little. I mean, the sellers are here. Let's just see what they want to do with it. Finally got a scale out, though, so I'm happy with that. All right, guys, keep smacking the like button on the way in. Help spread these streams out to some more people. We got 157 of you guys in here right now and only 49 likes. It costs you guys nothing to do it. Helps me out a metric fuck ton trying to spread the good word of what we're doing over here. Spy back up. Yeah, AMD getting a little, yeah, back to 271. That's fine. I don't really give a shit about that. That's fine. That is A-okay. Let's see. Yeah, nothing too crazy. I mean, you might get a traffic light up, but you've got this big resistance level. What the shit was that? Let's see. And he slipped 271 again here for a second. Let's see, guys. Breaking that 5-minute 200 would be dirty. Like, real dirty. It looks like, I mean, the buyers had it in the morning. It's the seller's time in the afternoon. So here we go. Let's see. Got your thing? No problem. No problem, bud. That's what I'm here for. What's this at? 270.29. It's kind of big. 1.83% of the day and calling it. Oh, sorry I scammed you, Pepe. I scammed you so hard. You're welcome for being scammed. All right, here comes Nancy back down. Oh, I do have a wild limit order on this too. That would be fun. Here it comes. Not yet. Not yet. Not giving it to me yet. I'd say. This is getting wild. Oh, yeah, I got to make those short forms for you guys later, too, about SIVB and all that nonsense. I saw you trying to scam me out of that 25K Ferrari. Sorry, bro. All right, you're at that. You're right here, 394.75. You're right there. New low. Or, I mean, is that a new low? That's a new low, I think, 69. Nancy slipping. That's the 5-minute 200 there that it just slipped. How are these contracts not going up more, bro? I don't understand that. Price is lower than when I sold it, and the contracts are at the same goddamn price. Don't care. Don't care. Watch that 370. 270. I mean, I'm dyslexic. Not really, but, you know, you get the point. And they're buying it up, those fuckers. Dixie can't go green on the day while market is dying. Bank issue and what? That's basic options Greeks, bro. No, that's not how that works. Because guess what? Smart one. That scale out was literally 2 minutes ago, and my contracts have a bunch of time on them. So no, that's not what's going on at all. I love how people come in here sometimes and you're like, whoa, what about this? It's like, no, I wouldn't have said it if it wasn't true. Let's see. SPY slippage. Come on. Come on. Let's see. Are you telling me that the Greeks didn't affect the price of your contract? They obviously did, but they wouldn't have affected it that much. It has to do with, it doesn't have any, this movement doesn't have anything to do with the Greeks. It has to do with what the actual auction is on the, in the spreads on them. That's what it is. It's a spread issue. It's not a Greek issue. That's why the contracts aren't moving. It's because the spreads are being stupid. Exactly. Dude, I love when people come in here and try to act like they're smarter than me. It's just, it's not going to be a winning battle for you, bro. I'm just going to warn you right now. I wouldn't try and do that. Let's see. Gamma issues on Nancy too. That not where this is. If anything, that would be helping these contracts, not hurting. It has to do with the spreads. That's all it is. It's just spreads. Like, you guys do know when the spreads are wide, I can then go in and technically manipulate the actual price that's listed on the option. If the spreads are wide, bro, shut up. I've been doing this for 10 years. Stop. I wouldn't do this. You're fighting a losing battle. I'm here over. Oh, there they go. There they go. Oh, IV crush Greeks, all of those things. You're not getting fucking IV crush in a 5-minute candle, bro. Shut up. Oh, dear Lord. All right, let's see. You missed the drop. That's okay. There'll be another move. Maybe not today. You might just want to wait till tomorrow. Let's see. You need to separate my comments replying to people with those at you. That's also fair. That's a hard thing to do in the live chat because I don't know if you're talking to me or if you're talking to somebody else. That 3-minute was money. Yeah, it was. So let's see if this hits the limit order that I have here. If it breaks 270, it definitely will, but we'll see. SPY's just kind of getting held up here. Let's see if the sellers really step up and just rain on everybody's parade. Dude, somebody's like moving fucking furniture or something and just like boom, big ass noises. There's the break. Yeah, it's getting close to another scale. That'll be the only other one that I do. If this one hits and it lets me out of this one, that'll be the last scale out I do. And then I'll just let it go. It's like really close. It's like 10 cents away. 8, 5, 8, 5, 8, 10. Probably someone on crack. Yeah, that does happen. People probably aren't doing crack in this building, though. I would be very shocked if people were smoking crack in here. Wait. What? Why are we talking about college classes right now? Two people disagree and settle at a price. Well, true. I mean, that's what I'm saying. Like it's just the spread on it. Like right now, they're 3 cents away from getting filled. They were just 2. It's just those spreads on these specific ones are a little bit wider, so they can just dictate they can dictate price a little bit differently. Now they're 8 away. Now they're 5. Now they're 7. Now they're 10. Like they're just flickering. But if SPY gets this crack here, that'll probably get me my fill. which will be a good fill. It'll just be another winning trade today. Right now, my account's up 3.5%, which is good. 3.6. The realized P&L today, though, is a bit insane. It's kind of nutty. Should I? I'll do this. I kind of like this here. I'll just move it down because they're being assholes. There you go. Take it. Take it. Take it. Get it out of here. Get it out of here. Give me some counseling, please. You want Tesla swings to the upside? What are you, nuts? What's Tesla at right now? Isn't it still green on the day? I'd wait till tomorrow. I'd give it till tomorrow. Nancy's still flickering that 270 here. I'm literally just begging for a scale out at this point. I mean, the retest is fine. They can retest that all they want. That should do it. Nope. Algos often sweep through the spreads and rearrange them like a backside. You have puts on coin for Friday. Sell. I mean, I'm never going to tell you what to do. It's always up to you at the end of the day. I mean, if you nailed it on this gap down, I don't know why you're still holding it. Like, I'm never going to tell you what to do. But, I mean, if you nailed it on the downside, I mean, that's not going to be, I mean, you probably murdered it today. Yeah, spy a little pop here. Let's see what happens. Oh, you didn't nail it. Yeah, Nancy back up there. I don't know. I mean, it depends on what, it depends on so many things, man. Like, I'm never going to tell you what to do. Let's see. 3 for 3 today, 2.11% on the port, 68 straight green trades. Holy shit, dude. 15 days straight green. Average win rate of 93.8% and up over 138% inside 6 weeks. 1348 traffic lights for the win. Again, guys, if you're not in there with us at this point, I don't know what to tell you, dude. Like, seriously, I can't save all of you. I really can't. So if you guys want to actually learn the proper way to make money in the market, aside from all this bullshit that people are trying to shove down your throats all the time, again, QR code's right here. Link is pinned to the top of the live chat, but I'll throw it in here for you guys again. Again, everybody gets access to, what do you call it? Your first month, $5. Big pop on Nancy. It's been doing this shit all day. Just scalp SPY for 3% on the port at a boy Kenny. Monster. Yeah, at this point, I mean, if it doesn't hit that, I'll just hold them. I don't really care. I mean, it's a good sized position. But again, like I was telling you guys in the masterclass, when things go up that much, I mean, I don't hold a certain percentage of my account over. Wait, hold on. Now I have to look at this. Yo, what? Hold on. This person looks familiar. Okay, that's interesting. You're unable to play options in your country. With that in mind, is there anything else in it for you? What country are you in? First is, what's the QR code for? The Trade 1348 platform. So over here, you get Invictus, predictive algorithm on the 5, 3-minute crosses, predictive daily crosses. These two are nasty. Broken traffic light is the daily traffic light alerts. This is the 4-hour traffic light alerts. 4-hour crosses, daily crosses. Trader Joe, an algorithm that trades on the daily. Pythagoras predictive algorithm. This one's getting tweaked right now. Your compounding interest calculator and all of these learning curriculum videos here that you guys get as well. You got the masterclass replays. Oh, look, it's me. But yeah, best place to learn how to trade for retail. Yeah, I think Christos, I think you're limiting yourself when you don't need to. If I swear to God, if you say the UK or Canada, I'm going to lose my mind. Because you can trade options, buddy. Indicators or alerts? Both. Both. And then you guys get these custom charts too. Cyprus. Oh, that's very cool. Isn't that by Greece? I'm directionally handicapped. Same thing with like geography. So I don't really know. But I feel like that's by Greece, right? That's pretty cool. I don't know. Maybe you could use interactive brokers. I think interactive brokers would probably let you do it. Or I mean, we do have crypto alerts. We're gonna start messing around with futures too, if that's something that you're interested in. Yeah, I feel like it would be Greece, right? VPN. Yeah, but then you run into all those tax nonsense problems. Like, all of YouTube is doing futures because of saturation. It's not saturation, it's IV and bidding up of contracts. Because what you have to realize at the end of the day, too, is that, like, if there's more demand to trade options, the prices of options are naturally going to go up because, like, if you're in an auction on, like, SPY contracts, they're just going to go up because more people are going to be bidding them up. Same thing with stocks. When there's more people in the market or more money going into the market, well, prices of things do go up. Near Greece, same culture, same language, different country. That's what I thought. I thought, yeah, it's near Greece. So I would do some research on it, Christos. But other than that, I mean, we still have a lot of. I mean, you can trade crypto with our stuff, and I mean, our charts, our alerts, our everything work on any like. Whoa, Nancy, give me that. Come on, a little more. They're 3 cents away from a scale out here. Come on, 2 cents. You fuckers. PDT rule? No. I actually like the PDT rule because it exposes stupidity, right? So you have to think about it like this. The PDT rule exposes stupidity. Here's how the PDT rule exposes how, yeah, there's my scale out right there. So I just got that one. That's nice. Now I just get to wait and play with the remainder of the position here, which is sweet. So here's why I like the PDT rule. People don't like it. The only people that don't like the PDT rule are people who don't understand the rules and haven't even put 5 seconds into research. Here's why. The PDT rule is irrelevant. You have a cash account, there's no need to be messing around or worried about PDT. The only thing you have to worry about is good faith violations. And if you're using your entire portfolio every single day to trade, you're over trading or you're oversizing. So, like, I like the PDT rule. It protects people. People say it doesn't. Morons. It does. You don't want to be over trading. If you had a less than $25,000 account, typically you're going to be a little bit less experienced in the market. Now, if they enabled you to make literally as many trades as you wanted throughout the day, you would wildly overtrade. You'd probably end up blowing up your account, and then the broker just can't make more money off of you with whatever fees they're charging. Or you could just do 10 seconds of research and realize that you don't need a fucking margin account. Yeah, so I got my scale out. That's good. Now I'm chilling. I'm fine with this position now. This position can stay where it is. Realized P&L today is nasty. It's playground time, bro. I also started playing with SPX again today, which was really fun. It was absolutely terrifying, but it was really fun when they hit. I sent you guys that screenshot, right, of the 175%er on this is where I was buying right here. So you guys might look at this and say, hey, that's a traffic light down. Why are you buying calls? This is a bait and switch day after a Fed day. So these are things that you pick up on as you get a little bit more experience in the market. My risk here was just to break the 48. Like the risk was super tight. But you kept seeing it. Bait, switch, bait, switch, bait, switch, bait, switch. So I was like, okay, well, most likely you want to see this thing is probably going to continue higher. It just smelled like one of those days. You could see it. You could see the trading happening. You were like, ah, yeah, this is not good. So then you get it here. I got more up here too on this traffic light. Rode this thing. I think I rode it up to here. And then I got stopped out on this little retracement to the 13. I think that's what it was. So my contracts, I think I bought them at like 3 something. Ooh, is this new low? Oh no. But I bought them at like 3 something and I ended up selling them at 8, which is really good. You drew a blank as soon as you all picked up the phone. Oh, well, small accounts up 4.89%. Thanks again, man. Yeah, I mean, guys, the platform's fucking disgusting. I've never seen retail print this way before. We've accomplished everything that we set out to. So again, guys, if you wouldn't mind, as you're filtering in here, keep slapping that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot, spreading these streams out to some more people. You're trying your hardest to be green this week, so I can take some out and upgrade to the 3-year. I think the thigh gap would put me over, but I'm more interested in the extra streams so you can learn more. Yeah, we got a lot of extra streams for you guys in there. Yeah, Nancy below 270 here is interesting, in the 5-minute 200. So I've now sold half of it, which is fine. I'm kind of pissed I didn't sell it yesterday because I didn't see it really until close that it was up 50%. I just kind of bought it, turned the phone off, and I was like, I'm done. But nailed it. Nailed it, bro. Let's see. I mean, Nancy, the thesis on NVIDIA wasn't necessarily like a traffic light one. It was just the thing is fucking cooked. They say knowledge is key, and I believe that pertains more to the stock market than most things. Sort of. So I think that sometimes what people do in the market is they overthink a lot of things. So having more knowledge, it depends on what type of person you are, may not be a good thing all the time. Because like I remember when I was learning everything, my brain will just fire off and I'll just think of everything that I know and try to apply it to one trade, but you don't have to do that. So it's good and bad. There are some things that you have to learn, but then other than that, it's like you want to keep it simple. That's why I try to stress simplicity for you guys so much when trading. And then we can go through the complex stuff when we talk about macro rate hikes and like all of that nonsense, models and all that stuff. But the thing is like when I'm trading, I try to keep it wildly simple. So simple that like elephants are smart. What's a stupid animal? A snail. A snail could do it. I just try, and that's how the traffic lights work so well. Like you look at this on the 5-minute, like this is a good one. But SPY on the 1 minute today was dirty. You get this nice little move down here from 395. I mean, dude, these traffic lights are filthy. This is very true. What trades am I in? Right now, the only thing that I have is NVIDIA puts that I've scaled out of now. There's swings though, which I kind of botched this because these were up a lot yesterday, and it was a pretty big position just for what I usually swing with. So when those were up that much, I should have just been like, hey, dumbass, sell it. I just was not paying attention because I was focused more on going to the gym and then like doing the stream with you guys. But dude, this is how you make thousands of dollars a day in the market. It's just keep it simple. And the fucked up thing is too, is that my SPX position here, I had a bunch of them in here, and I was selling basically at like $50 increments per contract. So my scale out was boom, hit it. And then it ripped up again, and I scaled out again. And then I just threw stops and profit, turned off the phone and let it go. And that's how they went up like 175%. But that, like, if I was using, like, if I wasn't, again, now I'm just making excuses. I still murdered it today. And SUV, the second half, your account is now up 500% from the start of the month. 500%, dude. Oops, wrong message. There it is. Guys, if you don't see the power of what there's a knife. There's a SPY knife. Again, guys, hop into the platform. It's literally $5 for your first month. Get ready for next week, too. The content that Gabe and I are going to be putting out is fucking nasty. 60% on QQQ puts and 30% on Apple puts off the 5-minute. Bing bong. There you go. Yeah, here come these. See, Nancy's not breaking these lows yet. Oh, those contracts popped. Oh, there they go. Yeah, you guys are murdering it. There's no way around it. I mean, you don't see this in any of these other stupid Discord communities. There Nancy goes. There we go, bro. When twerking videos? Probably never. Probably never. Let's see. IWM's getting cucked. Here comes Nancy now. I'm going to throw... Fuck. Yeah, I'm going to throw one more limit order out there, but it's going to be a wild one. If this hits, that's going to be wonderful. If they somehow... If this contract runs up to this limit sell, oh, I'm going to be thrilled. Oh, wait. Hold on. I got to make sure that that's... Yeah, that's fine. Let's so yeah, knife trying to make its way back up about halfway through this previous 1 minute candle. I mean, Nancy ate it up a little bit here. Let's see. Moto's just always saying wild shit, bro. Just always saying wild shit. Yeah, I mean, on the, what do you call? Oh, wait, that's TQQQ. Yeah, I mean, that's fine. This has been what's happening on Nancy, though, today. Like, it just wicks and then floop, wick, floop, wick, floop, wick, floop. You're bored at work? That's fine. You can hang out in here if you want. Someday you'll call in. That'd be fun, man. These Nancy puts. I love them. Finally, bro. Finally, I'm getting my move. Break that 269 and hold and just die. Spy put printing. I mean, we're in Print City, dude. All we do is print around here. Again, I'll throw that link in the live chat for you guys. Remember, just use code Print City and you will literally only have to pay $5 for your first month. Cheap as fuck. You're welcome. All right. When you plan to swing PayPal puts for April, but they pay 10% immediately, so you cut them? Dude, I've done that. Remember my Google play, bro? Where's Google at now? My Google trade was so dirty, dude. I literally wrote this. Where is it? What day was this? No. No. Here. Was it here? No. It was this. This was the day that I got the Google calls on. So I bought this retest right here, sold them up here at 96. So this was from 94 to 96. This ended up being a 42% gain. And I pissed at myself for not holding these because these literally ran to like 107, bro. That would have been 1,000%er. Taking profits, 150% on NVIDIA puts. There you go. Yeah, NVIDIA still teetering 269. There it goes. Let's see if they end up getting to this limit order. They're close. They're 40 cents a contract away. I would need a bit. I would probably need it down here, 267, in order to really fully hit that. Traffic lights, how do we get them on your trading view? You go into any one of the charts that we provide you, and then you're good to go. So it's basically the same way that you download the charts previously. And you guys are all about to get Speed Racer too. Another 53.42% on a SPY put. There you go. You've just been hunting 4-hour crosses and only playing the direction it tells you. I mean, I've been doing a lot of that too with the 4 hours, dude. It's been nasty. The ones that hit are like ridiculous every time. Like the Baba ones today. Like the Baba ones that I nailed today for, I think the average on that trade was like, it was probably like 48% because I sold some of them in the morning for 50. Then I sold some more at 65%. And then I ditched the last ones, I think at like 25. I didn't have like a giant position on it anymore. Oops. Check market talk. What's up with market talk? Holy shit. 460% for the month was 500%. Thigh gap saved your port and bounced today a bit. Again, guys, you want to hop into 3-year and join us in the thigh gap and all those extra streams, just reach out to Diana. She will hook you guys up. Got bored, so you spent $40 on a 0-day, currently at 500%. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Now Nancy's bouncing. Don't really care about this anymore today. This can do whatever it wants. For travel guys, should we join and then rejoin? No, that's a silly thing to do. I literally just told you how to do it. You download the new chart, which is the same way that you downloaded the previous chart. So go to scroll back in the announcements, or go on the platform and you can go like this right here. Invictus, or let's do 3 minutes. Wow, Invictus killing it today, 83%. There we go, bro. Look at Invictus predicting these crosses before they happen. Woo, baby. All right, let's take a look at Google. You go like this. 1348 custom chart download, and then you have it. Another 15% on SPY breakdown, cleared out the Tesla short blunder. Are you talking about those puts? You bought it 12 times, you get more charts? No. Let's see. $16 for 20 green days. Learn so much every week, stacking knowledge with you guys. Yeah, I feel bad for everybody that's not in there with us. How does it feel to not make money? Must suck. Yeah, Moto, it does. This thing has just been so strong. Once those buyers leave that have been trying to bid this thing up, it's donezo on this. So let's see if SPY breaks these lows here. Wow, right back down to 392. Isn't this that close yesterday? What did it close at yesterday? Let's see. Where did it close? Well, like right here. 392.86. So this is yesterday's close right here. If you break that, oh, Nancy's, nah, not really. Small green day today. Had a huge day yesterday. Put yourself on a short leash. Good. All about risk management, man. I'm up like 4.5% today now. Pretty good. Oh my God, they might hit this limit. No, just kidding. They're not going to hit that. I think this thing needs to come down to here in order to hit my limit. And then I don't care. I'm holding. I have to not sell these things too early after I get my scale outs, because they go nuts, bro. I'd almost prefer it not to hit my limit. When's the deadline for the current 3-year price sub? End of next week. So make sure you guys get in before, because the price is going up at the end of next week. Or we just change it. Like, all right. I mean, are they going to give me this? No, this thing needs to fall more. They're like 20. They're like 20. Here we go. I mean, these are up nicely here, dude. They're up what? 23%, 24%. That's good. I like that. 24% on some Nancy's. I'll take that. If they give me another scale out, I'd love it. You looking at some random stuff last night, wondering how strong the traffic lights is on the W time? What's W time? I don't know what that is, Pepe. I'm not sure what W time is. Wreck-It Ralph, Jesus, bro. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. We got a lot of slackers in here today. We're at 77 likes with 190 of you guys in here. What are you doing? Slacking is what you're doing. On the monthly time. Yeah, it might be. I haven't looked at it though. I'd have to look at it. I probably wouldn't do that though, you know. Heading out, got a photo shoot with some baddies. Oh, I know you do. Dude, we have some people in here with some really, really cool jobs. Sorry for slacking. You guys are still slacking. I don't know what you're doing over here. Let's see. All right. I don't need Nancy up here anymore. I don't care. I'm just watching it and it's going to piss me off more. Wow. Hi, Spy. Little erection candle here. Watch them blast it to the upside towards the power hour. That would be hilarious. I don't think they're going to give me this today, which is fine. I'm perfectly all right with holding this position size now. It was just big before. I was like, I don't like that. I was like, that's risky. I wasn't really feeling risking it for the biscuit, dude, you know? All you do is deliver food to Pizza Hut? You mean from? Why would you deliver food to the food place? How does that make any sense? That's like fucking Justin earlier, who was literally getting kidnapped at his job. It makes no sense. Like, all right, Nancy, come on, down to here. Also, B-dubs. I like Buffalo Wild Wings, dude. I haven't been to a Buffalo Wild Wings and I think the last time I went was with Gabe. I love Buffalo Wild Wings. The funny thing about Buffalo Wild Wings is that it's like kind of expensive for no reason. Like they're making shitloads of money. Dude, you go there, you order wings and an entree, and it's like $50. You're like, whoa, whoa, whoa. I didn't realize that this was a Michelin star wing place. Like, come on now. You do know Pizza Hut doesn't grow their own tomatoes, don't you? Tomatoes? Yes, but here's the problem with what he said. Why would he be delivering that to Pizza Hut, Chick-fil-A, KFC, Taco Bell, and A&W? You really think they're getting like fresh ingredients? I don't think so. How do you think they get the food? Fair enough. Fair point. So wait, hold on, T sir. Is there like one distribution place that has all the food, like for Buffalo Wild Wings, Chick-fil-A, and everything else? Because if there is, I want to go there and I want to eat. That'll be my cheat day now. That sounds so fun. Spy knife, Yum brand, and they have a stock. They all do it from Yum? I'm not allowed? Hold on, Mr. Jackstad. I'll ask T Sir if I'm allowed. Cisco? Yeah, it's not Cisco though. The same warehouse? That's crazy. All right, let's see if they give me this scale out, I'm gonna go crazy. It's 30 cents away. You work for McLean, which is the distribution center? Ah, logistics. Very nice. Very nice. Let's see. Hey, realized P&L today looking good, bro. I like that. I like that. It's playground. It might be playground time. We have another good day tomorrow. It might be playground time, bro. Sounds like you never been to a restaurant warehouse. No, I've never gone there. You gotta sign up under your LLC in business and shop there. Hold on, Pepe. You're telling me that all I would have to do is just sign up and go to a Restaurant Depot. Yeah, but that's like silverware, isn't it? Dude, they're about to give me this scale out. It's 5 cents away now. I'm about to hit I just got it. That's ridiculous there. Mwahaha. All right. I'm up like 5% now. So now I've scaled out basically fully, but I still have some. So we'll see what happens over next week. Yesterday's it broke everything here. Here comes Nancy. Dixie hit 102.4. Oh boy. Yeah, so this is the level. I mean, this was the level that I was expecting Nancy to hit so I could get my scale out. So that's good. SPY's red on the day now? Oh, shit. Yeah, we were talking about that. It was like, if SPY goes red, that's fucking nuts. All right, team. This is crazy. This movement doesn't seem to match the news. No. It does. The Powell was not confident yesterday at all, dude. Like 0% confident, and he was annoyed at everything. This makes complete sense today. We were all over these moves, dude. All over them. From the bait and switch to the sell-off. That's why I held these NVIDIAs, because I was like, well, yeah, it got that nice little pop in the morning, but I nailed the babas, so it basically evened everything out. And then I murdered SPX up. So I was like, well, odds are this thing's going to come screaming down later. This bullshit just pissed me off all day because it was just bait and switch, bait and switch, bait and switch, bait and switch. That's the nice move that I was finally looking for. There's one in Boston. Across from the Costco on Broadway. Like in Southie? Five still cracking here. The bait and switch was smoother on the 5. I was looking at it on the 1. I really do like the 1. I can identify the bait and switches pretty, like, I use the 1 to kind of identify the bait and switches because it'll come down to the 48 tap, slip the 13, rip right back up. And you can see the aggressiveness of the moves that are coming back above the 13. Like, if you look at it like this, these are big candles. This slips hard, bought right back up. Slips hard, bought aggressively back up. And then this is the one that I was in. SPX. No. It's not SPXX. It's just SPX. Oh, you bought it? Now they're paying you a wait, what? Hold on. Levels aren't holding? No, dude. This is Knife City. Here we go. Oh, wait. Hold on. Did that do what I wanted it to do? Yeah, it did. Ha! Let's see. Hold on. All right, team. I'm gonna take this screenshot here. I'll throw this in Market Talk. This is a good one. Little P&L screenshot here. You ready? Ready? It's not game level, but it's fucking nasty still. Hold on. There you guys go. When sell? What do you sell what? You've been chasing for 2.5 hours? Well, that's not good. That's not what you want. I mean, the position that I have on NVIDIA right now can still give me giant gains. I think I made them free, did I? No, I didn't make them free. I realized a lot of gains on them, though. Hold on. Let me actually look and see how much I realized on it today. How does that make any sense? Oh, that's why. Because it closed super high yesterday. That makes sense. Check my DM. Oh, shit, Squirrel. What did you do? Are you playing SPX2, you fucker? 694%. Dude, Phoenix is up 52. Hold on, bro. Phoenix. 52.74% on the day. Those of you guys that aren't on the platform with us, it must suck to not be making these types of gains in the market, man. Here's your QR code right here. Make sure you guys are hopping in. And those of you guys that want to upgrade to 3-year with all the gains that you guys have been making, make sure you guys reach out to Diana and she will hook you guys up, get access to everything else that we have to offer, man. You're still sitting on a free put? T, sir, how much is that up? You're up 550% and you think that you should hold until tomorrow? I'm not even going to say anything here because if you have to ask the question, you already know the answer. You have 385 puts for the SPY? You can make it free, you can scale out, you can sell the whole thing, or you can willy-nilly and hold the whole thing like a degenerate. I mean, do what you want to do. It's your money. I'm never going to tell you what to do. You're going to hold till 1,000%? Well, what if it goes to 0 and it closes at 386 tomorrow? Like, you're going to think that you're the biggest dum-dum in the history of the planet. And then the other problem is that if you hold it until tomorrow and it goes 5,000%, you're going to think you're some genius and make these mistakes again. This is not a good position to be in as a trader, especially if you're new to the market and you haven't done this a lot. One of us. All right, guys, 15 likes away from 100. Keep running those numbers up. You guys are slacking. Then he's going to be salty. Oh, yes, he is. In 12 minutes, Janet Yellen speaks in front of the House Financial Services Committee. TLT. It's not time for TLT, though. TLT's running off of this, but it's not like what Powell said yet. The reason why I didn't talk about TLT yesterday is Powell didn't say anything meaningfully different for it. They need to pause. They need to pause and they need to start cutting rates. That's how TLT goes nuts. With them raising, it makes TLT less likely, but the higher that they go with rates, the higher TLT could potentially go if they do giant rate cuts. Does that make sense? Was Yellen scheduled? I don't know. I haven't seen that. But tomorrow at market open, we get Bullard, which is going to be wild. Tomorrow at 9:30 in the morning, we get Bullard. I didn't see Yellen on the schedule at all. Not on the one that I look at. TLC's cooked. Yep. What a day, man. What a fucking day. She was scheduled this morning to speak at 3 p.m. today. That's interesting. I mean, I don't care. Like, I just don't. But that's interesting. So you definitely move stuff around. Yeah. So the Nvidia contracts that I have, I mean, I bought them at 385. They're at 5. So that's pretty good. Can I do my Janet Yellen impression in front of the Financial Services Committee? Because we need to talk about the banking system and all the duration mismatch problems because the banks are too fucking stupid to know that we basically all told them to sell the motherfucking bonds because rates were going up and we are in a recession, even though we told everybody it's not a recession. See, that's the Janet Yellen impression. It's spot on. You can't I'm surprised. Yeah. You might as well just have me go do Janet Yellen's press conference in front of the House Financial Services Committee. You sound like Bill Cosby? How do I sound like? I don't think I've ever heard Bill Cosby speak. Pepe, no. Bank of America just hit 52-week low. Well, that sounds unfortunate. Yeah, just next time Janet doesn't want to work, I'll do it. I'll be like, hey, fuckers, this is how it's going to go. Especially if it's like a call-in interview. Oh, I am all over that. Good afternoon, people of the CNBC. Dude, it's perfect. Spot on. I'm here to talk to you today about how everything is fucked and it's not my fault. All right, guys. Again, make sure that you guys are hopping into the platform too if you actually want to change your financial future or just keep getting led to the slaughter by everybody else in this space here. Have fun doing that. Use code Print City. There you guys go. There's the link. Make sure you guys are hopping in and make sure you guys are reaching out to Diana to upgrade to 3-year before the prices drastically increase at the end of next week. You sold your 392.50 puts at 154 for a profit. Look at what it's worth now. No, I don't want to. It's just gonna make me feel bad for you. It's like they're probably worth what? $3 unless they're dailies and they're probably worth $2. If they're tomorrows, they're probably worth like 400. Mrs. Dixie just went. And TLT ripped a little here too. I mean, I'm a bit. I would kind of want to sell some AMD. If I told you guys how many shares of AMD I had, you'd be like, bro, what the fuck? I have a lot, dude. It's closing in on being worth like 30-something% of my overall portfolio. That's not good. But it's not because like I put in that much. It's because it's just my average is like 12 or 13. I have so many of it. And I had more that I sold at 30. A triple. I was like, damn, I'm smart. Triple. Sell it. Nope. Went to 160. Why not sell covered calls on it? Can't. A controlling share? No. But like the dollar amount of the position, you'd be like, wait, maybe some of you wouldn't be surprised. But like for my age, the value of the long term is kind of fucking nuts. Like I've shown you guys screenshots of it when the market has good days. Like it'll go up like 4 or 5 grand in a day, which is cool. 3 o'clock AMD shares giveaway? No. Those are my babies. I want it to run up and split. That's what I want to happen to it, but I don't know if it's ever going to do it. That's like my long 5-10 year thesis on it. It runs up to like 250, splits, and then I sell a bunch of it after the run up into the split, you know? Glad I met you guys and got out at 45. Kenny? Yep. MD slipping here. Nancy. The chips have just been fuckers, dude. Like when I see these have such strength, it like makes me want to just like sell half of it or like just like ditch like a couple hundred shares of it, you know? Just like take like 20 grand back and be like, I want it. It's mine now. Throw it in cash. Problem is I don't want to have to pay the taxes on it. That's the other thing. I'd rather not have like more tax obligations than I need to, you know? Because like, what am I going to do with the money anyway? Like, I'm just going to leave it there. Why not just leave it there in AMD? Who cares? I held it into, bro, there was one time where it went up to like 60, then back down to like 15, I think. I never looked at it. Oh, all of you, we did it. All of you masterclass people, the 3-year and what do you call it? The 3-year and lifetimers, you guys have your forum now that you guys can go talk in. That's perfect. AMD is coming out with a preferred equity unit. Scam? No. Jenny Yellen will be asked about the safety of deposits in American banks. This can get spicy. She's going to say it's fine, bro. She's not going to say it's shitty. Like, what do you think she's going to say? You think Janet Yellen's going to be like, yeah, everything's fucked. She told us that inflation was transitory. Like, come on, dude. There's no way she comes out and is like, yeah, the banking system's fucked. Let's see. Nancy back up. SPY trying to head a little higher here. I'm happy I got that. I got those scale outs on Nancy because now I can basically just let these run and I don't really give a shit. No one says transitory like me. Nobody does a lot of things like us, bro. Nobody helps retail investors the way that we do. We're one of a kind, you know? Dollar went green, craziness in the market today. It's like being serenaded. I will never be serenading you guys, just letting you know. I won't even do that to like my, like, you know what? Like, I would never do that. You know why? Because I can't fucking sing. That's like the one thing I don't really know how to do. I can play lots of instruments, can't sing for shit. I hated chorus because I always knew that I was shitty. And I knew that I was never going to put in the effort to get better. And they were like, you still have to go to chorus. And I was like, this is a waste of my fucking time. And I was probably 8 years old. I didn't say that. I was a very well-behaved kid. Oh. SPY saw Janet Yellen. SPY caught a glimpse of Yellen. You fucking simp. Me? Just learn from Tor? No, because like if Tor is singing, I'm just going to let him sing it. Like I'm not going to sing along. Yeah, SPY saw Janet Yellen. Little bit of an erection candle. Oh no. Let's see. Fake out, break it. No, it's not breaking out of anything. I mean, you are going to hunt a traffic light here, and we'll see what happens with it, but we'll see what happens with it here. SPY hit the Viagra again. Yeah, it saw Janet Yellen. It just went. Whoop. Speaking of simping, what does the chair smell like? Don't know. Yeah, we fall traffic light. Dude, what is happening here? We just ripped like $2. SPY said, fuck it. YOLO. We're going to cuck everybody. Wow, my Nvidias are now only up. These are, those probably won't go red, but they're up like 10% now. Dude, look at this. I already sung Nickelback to you guys. That's fine. That's cool. That's Nickelback. All right, guys. So It's 3 p.m. That's going to be wrapping up the live stream for today. The Spy's currently getting wild erection candles. So Spy at Six Flags today. Yeah, dude. But all right, guys. So I'm gonna throw the link to the platform over here. If you don't hop in for your $5 for your first month, have fun losing money in the market. Simple as that. We've been doing this for a year. We've shown you guys the success of all of our members. I'm the only person on YouTube with an interview of one of their members going from $8,000 to $1 million. Nobody else that you listen to can say that. So, team, make sure you guys hop into the platform and reach out to Diana to make sure that you guys can secure your 3-year before the prices drastically go up. Other than that, guys, another fucking amazing day in Print City. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Get the fuck out. Go do something fun. Later.